Hey y'all, I hope everybody's doing well today, and I am going to be um, doing a makeup tutorial because I need to put my eyes on. So I thought I would share with y'all. I've got my little brushes here. Let me just cut my little noises off on my phone. I went to Sephora and what did I get? The holiday savings event. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's not even Halloween and they're doing Christmas already. Remember how it used to be Thanksgiving they were doing Christmas? 2 months early now. Okay, so these brushes is not what I got. These things is what I got. First of all, I'll show you this. The Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare Potent C Power Brightening Hydrogel Eye Patches. It's just too long of a name, y'all. Alright, so that one is the Potent C. So this is vitamin C in the gold packet. And this one is Cucumber Detox Hydrogel Eye Patches. And what you do is when you get up and you've cleaned your skin and done any treatments, you don't put anything on under your eyes yet. You put these, and this one is kind of a detox, and I think it probably gets rid of puffiness because it's what it says. Target under eye puffiness and wrinkles. Or by putting it, they're little half moons. You can either put it under here for under your eyes, or you can put it right here for your crow's feet. Or you can get two packs and do both. So, but what they really are trying to do is basically get rid of your wrinkles and your puffiness. So anyway, do these work? All I have to say is it's just a nice little kind of something you can do for yourself that you feel like you do a little skincare and self-care. And usually these are not that expensive. So that I got. And then also I've been wanting to try this. This is Urban Decay's Brow Beater. And believe it or not, I've never tried their brow pencil. And it has, of course, the little tiny nib on one end. I think Anastasia was the first one to start that extremely small, look how small, nib. And then the little brush on the other end. And that's always important because once you draw a line, you do need to brush through it. Look how tiny the nib is, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. This is a different shape. This is that triangle shape that everybody's doing now. We'll see. I've already done my brows today, but we'll see. Maybe I'll touch them up. But anyway, so this is Brow Beater, and I believe I got it in a brown. Let me see. Waterproof brow, pencil and spoolie. Neutral Nana. That sounds like grandma. Whatever. I'm trying it. And then the other thing that I got, because it was green based, was this Urban Decay, which I'm a big Urban Decay fan. I think they've got very good formulas, and this is one of their smaller palettes that you could take on like a weekend trip with the girls, or you know, if you like to keep a palette in your purse. I'd never recommend that, because with the way you knock a purse around, of course you should knock a nice purse around. This is powder, and it just even a slightly knocked or absolute, throwing your wallet down on it will crack it. This one is Urban Decay Naked Foxy, and I don't know why it says Foxy, because I'll tell you it's green oriented. So these are like antique golds, and it has a green hue to it. So that's what I'm going to do today. So besides just showing you that, I'm going to do that. And of course, they have, like all good palettes should, a mirror. Alright, so under the brow, we're going to put a little of this brightening color and kind of start right on the brow bone and then kind of blend up. And it's good to kind of go back and forth because that gets it down in the holes. Then I'm going to do that on the inner corner to brighten it up. And just kind of an all-over quick wash. Right, now I've already done my lashes, so this is not typically the order with which I do things, but I was going to do this for you guys. I have noticed as I'm getting older, especially if I use concealer as my eyeshadow base, that I look very wrinkled. So I wouldn't actually recommend using your concealer as an eyeshadow base for that reason, personally. Again, do it right on the brow bone. See how it's below the brow? and then kind of back and forth up to the brow. It just gets in the pores real good. And now we're gonna, whoops, I did the wrong side. The inner corner, across the lid, and then we're just gonna kind of blend out the rest of the way. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to use, let's see, I may do a little bit of this Get Down as the transition color. Let's see how it does as a transition color. Looks like it's going to do good. It's kind of a neutral. It's the second color. Usually whatever's next to the highlighter is more neutral, and it's usually kind of in an order from light to dark in most palettes. And you do want that color right next to the highlight color to be your transition color in most palettes. Okay, so see how that's just kind of neutralized between the brow bone and the crease. So in the crease, what am I going to do? Am I going to go disco, or am I going to go funky town, or what am I going to do? Slide is also a good, it's just a basic neutral. That could have been used as well. So either one of those. But I went ahead and went with Get Down. And Hot Stuff and Disco, these are very glittery colors. And not sure which one, whoops, sorry y'all. Not sure which one we use. I think I'm just going to go ahead and go straight to Funky Town, which is just a chocolate brown, and it's perfect for, you know, the outer crease. So I'm just going to start out here, coming in at a V on a slant, and then going that slant up, and that's your little outer V. Yep. I'm going to kind of blend that in to the crease. Not too much, but enough. And as you can see, I could have just left it at this, but I decided to go ahead and do a deeper look. That's just my look. I like to have depth in the crease. Not everybody likes that, and that's fine. Do what you want. Matter of fact, do what you want with all these colors. But I'll tell you this. Look at the color payoff. This is just Urban Decay is just really a good brand as far as formula. Just look at that. Really good color payoff. That never sticks there. It's where my scar is, and it just never does stick. And one of y'all told me that's because scar tissue is not the same skin as other tissue, and I would agree with that. Okay, so let's see. What am I going to put? Am I going to put the bright glitter on the lid or the shimmer on the lid? First of all, let's do a little pencil brush and just try that Hot Stuff, which is the shimmer. Let's just see how it looks in the inner corner. That could tell us right there. Oh, it's almost nothing, y'all. Like, almost nothing at all. Okay, so, no. You could put a little right there if you want to be glittery. Now, these are glittery. These are not just a shimmer, just so you know. I am going to go ahead and use that Funky Town as an under eye liner. So I'm going to go through the lashes, which is hard because I've already mascaraed. By the way, I was looking at a picture of somebody today on the internet, and I can't remember who it was, and they just looked so old because they did not use mascara on the lower lash line, and people say that makes you look younger. I think it does right the opposite. I think it makes you look very old not to have lashes. It just looks so bright and white and just lifeless. I feel like when you do color on the lower lashes that it's very helpful. So I got a little bit of fallout, not much, but for that much color payoff, that's really good. They don't have much color. I mean, and by the way, it's the end of the day. I was just going to do this for y'all, but it's the end of the day. So I'm also going to kind of blend that a little bit more. There. And then I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to blend things out. Blendy blend out, blendy blend, blendy blend, blend, blend. I hear my doggy in there playing. Did you hear her? She's playing by herself. Okay, we'll be line. See the line there? We're just going to kind of dissipate the line. Don't over blend it or just get a real ruddy, muddy look. And then I always use just the outer part of my hand to kind of make sure that, you know, that's kind of all blended right there. And here. Just a quick double check. Yeah, what do y'all think? I like the colors. I think they're really good for my eyes. Let's just do it. Let's do this. I'm going to actually use a flat shader and wet it with my own spit because I don't share. I'm going to use this disco color on my lid just to see what it looks like, y'all. You know what? Look, it's not that much. It's honestly, this is kind of a good color for, it's not that metallic-y. It's a shimmer. Kind of wakes it up a little bit. So I'd say this is nice. If you like shimmers, I would even say this is an everyday. That's how fine the shimmer is. It's not chunky. It's very fine. As you can see. Another thing that you can do is run it on just the inner part of the lower lash line. And it kind of helps wake it up down there. Just using the edge of the brush. Well, let's close your eyes so you don't get that glitter in your eyes. Now, it's a makeup grade, so it's not going to hurt you. Well, as far as makeup goes. Alright. I'm going to have to get rid of the fallout again. But that's it. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I think this is good, y'all. I like it. Again, this is the Foxy one from the Naked, these little small palettes, and it's Foxy. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Now I'm fixing to do another giveaway. You'll see me in just a minute in the same outfit. Love you. Bye.